Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now I will show you how to make the annual subscription payment for the ACCA. If you are having the trouble how to make the initial annual subscription payment, now you will see how to make it. This is Abdullah Ramjanov, ACCA Navigator, and it is our I think 6th or 7th lesson. Actually, I don't know the exact number, but I know that all of our lessons are being really useful. Now in your ACCA account, you go to the fees and transactions department, and here you will find view now, and you press the button of the view now, and after that you will see here also like I have made the payments, right? Credit debit card payment, exempt fees, exemption. This was for FR, this was for exemption from business and technologies, and that's it. As I open it my account in December, now I haven't received my invoice, but if you have opened it your ACCA account, you have already received the invoice, and here instead of this kind of exempts, you will see the annual subscription fee here, right? And after that you will press this select option and you will press this pay now, and after that as soon as you will press the pay now, there will be a new window open it for transactions, and after that you will write your Visa card number and other kinds of things that will be required, and after that automatically you will make the payment. And this is end of our kind of the lesson. I think that's not the lesson, and also it is for the advice, and it is also the method for someone who is feeling the trouble in making how to make the annual subscription fee. Goodbye guys, take care.